Welcome to your kitchen's fresh start for the cooler months ahead. September is the perfect time to get your pantry in order, ensuring you're ready for cozy fall cooking without the stress. This simple reset will help you save money, reduce food waste, and make weeknight meals a breeze. We'll clear out what you don't need, rotate what you have, and strategically stock up on essentials. This approach means you'll always have the ingredients for delicious, budget-friendly meals. Let's dive in and transform your pantry into a powerhouse of efficiency. Start by emptying your pantry shelves completely. This might seem like a big task, but it's the most effective way to see everything you have. Take out all jars, cans, boxes, and bags. Now, check expiration dates on every single item. Discard anything that's past its prime or looks suspicious. Don't forget to check for signs of spoilage or pests, especially in open packages. Next, group similar items together. Put all your pasta in one area, all your canned goods in another, and so on. This helps you visualize your inventory and identify duplicates. Rotate your stock by moving older items to the front. This first in, first out method ensures you use ingredients before they expire, significantly reducing waste. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. Finally, give your empty pantry shelves a good wipe down. A clean, organized space makes it much more inviting to cook and easier to find what you need. This fresh start sets the tone for efficient cooking. With your pantry clean and organized, it's time to think about what to stock for fall. Focus on hearty, shelf-stable ingredients that form the backbone of comforting meals. These items are versatile and cost-effective. Consider grains like oats for warm breakfasts, rice for side dishes, and various pastas for quick dinners. Quinoa is another excellent choice, offering a complete protein for salads and bowls. Dried beans and lentils are incredibly economical and nutritious. They can be used in soups, stews, chilies, and even homemade veggie burgers. Stock up on a variety of these for diverse meal options. Canned goods are your best friends for convenience. Think crushed tomatoes for sauces, diced tomatoes for chilies, and tomato paste for depth of flavor. Broths, coconut milk, and canned pumpkin are also fall essentials. Don't forget baking essentials like flour, sugar, baking soda, and baking powder. As the weather cools, you might find yourself baking more often, so having these on hand is crucial. Buying in bulk can lead to significant savings, but only if you store items correctly. Identify the non-perishable items you use most frequently, such as rice, pasta, dried beans, and oats. Invest in airtight containers for bulk purchases. Glass jars or sturdy plastic containers with tight-fitting lids protect your food from moisture, pests, and staleness. Label everything with the purchase date. Store these bulk items in a cool, dark, and dry place. Light and heat can degrade food quality over time. A pantry or cupboard away from the stove is ideal for maintaining freshness. Nuts and seeds can also be bought in bulk, but they have a higher oil content and can go rancid faster. Store them in the refrigerator or freezer to extend their shelf life, especially if buying large quantities. The beauty of a well-stocked pantry is the ability to whip up delicious meals with minimal effort. Shelf-stable basics form the foundation, and you can add fresh ingredients as needed. Think about classic combinations: dried beans and canned tomatoes for a hearty chili, pasta with canned crushed tomatoes for a quick marinara, or rice and lentils for a comforting dal. These are flexible starting points. Keep a variety of spices and seasonings on hand to transform simple ingredients into exciting dishes. A well-stocked spice rack is just as important as your pantry staples for flavor. Having these basics means you're less reliant on last-minute grocery runs. You can build a meal around what you have, adding fresh vegetables or proteins from your fridge as inspiration strikes. This saves time and money. Being aware of sale cycles is a smart way to save even more on your pantry staples. Many non-perishable items go on sale at predictable times throughout the year, often tied to holidays or seasonal promotions. For example, baking supplies often see discounts before major holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Canned goods and dry pasta might be on sale during stock-up events at your local grocery store. Check weekly flyers and sign up for loyalty programs. These resources often highlight upcoming sales on pantry essentials. Buy extra of your most used items when they are at their lowest price. Remember, the goal is to buy what you will use, not just what's on sale. Overbuying leads to waste, even if the initial price was low. Strategic purchasing is key to true savings. As we head into the holiday season, your spice rack deserves attention too. Spices don't truly expire, but they lose their potency over time, especially ground spices. Check the dates on your spice jars and give them a sniff. If they don't have a strong aroma, it's time to replace them. Fresh spices make a huge difference in the flavor of your dishes. Now is the perfect time to stock up on fall and holiday-specific spices. Think cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, and allspice for baking. Sage, thyme, and rosemary are essential for savory dishes. Consider buying whole spices and grinding them yourself for maximum freshness and flavor. A small spice grinder is a worthwhile investment for truly aromatic results. By taking the time for this September pantry reset, you're setting yourself up for a season of delicious, budget-friendly, and waste-conscious cooking. A well-organized pantry is a calm pantry, and a calm pantry leads to a calm kitchen. You'll find yourself cooking more often, experimenting with new recipes, and feeling less stressed about meal planning. Enjoy the comfort and efficiency that comes with a truly prepared kitchen. Happy cooking!